One, two.
Start.
Hi, I am Mukesh Kumar and I am pursuing B Pharma from NRI College. What about you?
This is Nicky here. I am from Tigamba district and I am nowadays pursuing BMIT from RKDF College. So today we are going to discuss about offline and online study. So I choose the topic offline study and you can you take the topic of online study.
Okay.
So we will try to discuss about the online or offline. So I am in favor in offline and you are in favor in online. So tell me your point.
Okay, according to me, online classes is best because we know that in the era, everyone doing anything related to multiple smart work because we know that first of all, in the era, everyone doing some save the time because if you doing offline classes, then you go to anywhere, then you take much time. So offline is not better than online classes because we know that in the online classes we take more energy. And what about you?
Okay, according to me, I don't believe that type of alliance. According to me, offline study is best because you know that if you do online study with the help of social media and mobile phone, that time if you do study that time, if you everyone also use social media like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, many more use application use that time. So you know that you doing study that time. If someone is calling you, text you on Insta and WhatsApp, so that time you distract your study, or you know that whenever you go to any class and do offline study, that time you can clearly understand what you want to learn, and teacher also teach you many more things, tell you many more things, and he also try to explain you many more things. But you know that in online class, if you take online class, so any teacher tell you, any teacher teach you like with the help of any social media like Zoom app. If you study with the help of Zoom app, so one teacher teach you approx 30 plus students. So that time you know that everyone don't discuss with teacher and don't clear his or her doubt on the video call because you know that the online session will be only 1 or 2 hours, or but within 1 and 2 hours, teacher also teach approx 40 to 50 minutes, and that time he cannot clarify the doubt of every student. So according to me, offline study is best.
Bro, I don't accept your point because we know that we said that online classes is bad because we know that first of all online classes save your time because in the era time is most powerful because if you utilize your time in good position, in good things, that differently you do.
Okay, listen.
You know second thing you said that in online classes your distraction your mind because you know that in the era if you dedicate with your study, then you don't distract your mind.
Listen to me.
And third one is we say that if you any doubt, then don't solve online classes. How can you say that? We know that in the era, toppest channel on YouTube, Khan sir, he always conduct online classes, physics wala. We know that physics wala.
You know that
physics wala
also provide you chargeable material. He is not allow every material in free of cost. Some material are available on free. But if you take online class, so you can pay many more fees. But I will not agree your point because if you do study in offline, if you do study any offline class, that time you do study, you can do study also. And if you have doubt, then you can clarify your doubt. Or if you want to do study, if you want to do study, that time they provide you like library and environment. So that time you can do study. And
online classes also solve your problem, and library also available. Online classes save your time because time is very important.
Listen to me. If you take nowadays you taking online class, so you can take online class approx 1 hour.
Yeah.
You know that, and then you do study. If you do go to your classes, so you can waste your only 10 to 15 minutes. But you know that whenever you go to your classes, so that time do study. If you have any doubts, so you can ask the doubt and clear.
Online classes you know that's not your doubt. How can you say
many more students provide you like space. And if you have time, then you can sit there and do study many more hours, like 4 to 5 and 6 hours. And they also provide you like many more study material. If you have any doubt, then at that time you ask about doubt. But in online class, if you complete your 1 hour study, then after you have doubt, then you can ask doubt next class. But you don't ask same time. So according to me, online class is best.
we say that down in online classes also solve your diet. Because
Okay,
you
okay.
know that 24 hours teacher are available in online platform. That's why online classes is best.
According to me, offline class is best because you know that if you do offline class, that time you write and write down and making notes also. If you do online study,
Bro,
you know that
online classes
many
listen to me. No, online class also
listen to
like
me.
notes.
Nowadays, many more students, you know that nowadays many more students, like some students are visiting with her girlfriend, with her boyfriend, with her friend, and traveling many more places, and her teacher also scold them. So that's why they open their Zoom application, like many more application, and mute down the audio and video, and they can roam here and there. They did not
In the era, many students going to coaching and going to college. They are not going to college. They are going to visit Indrapuri. They are going to visit Lakeview. They are not go to coaching.
You know that
In offline classes, because online classes, if you doing online classes, then you have stay in your room and in the front of your
according to me, everything depend on everything depend on every
How
student.
can you send it online classes? Why
Everything
is starting
depend
your
on
class and moving here and there? How can you send it?
Everything is depend on a student.
Yeah.
If you determine, then you can do everything.
We know that in the
Everything is possible.
No.
Everything is possible if you determine. And with the help of, you know that nowadays with the help of offline classes, many more students qualify their exam. Like Alan Golden and Vijay Swaraj.
Online classes also qualify the NEET exam, JEE exam. We know that.
Those students take online class, those are already taking class. Only for revision
How
purpose.
many
Many more purpose take online class only for, you know that, many more purpose online class take only for revision purpose. Don't.
Now ready for use disconnected your charge. Thank you so much.
Listen, did you speak?
But according to